guys, so I was in Build a Boat for Treasure, and me and my cousin were building this boat, and it's so godly because it's so bright. And you can see the problem. It floats. It's floating like you can't even see it. It's just a blur for you guys. It's a blur, but this boat is floating. It's a floating boat. It's very slow. So the funny story is that my cousin just recently got the balloons. So he placed them and we're like, oh, this is going to be cool. And then when we started, the boat it flew up from the sky and it just stayed like this. And then my cousin fell out and when he reset, he flung into the sky. And then when he tried to come back, I realized I could turn the boat. So when he got back on, I turned it and he flung off. And now I'm here alone and he has left me. But I am still victorious as I could spin in my boat. Wait, who's this dude? Is this my cousin? Who's this big dude? Anyways, I just want to show you this historic event. But yeah, anyways, see you guys next time. Bye. We're in Build a Boat for Treasure. we became a UFO. We are a UFO. Uh-oh. Lag. Why they're just mustard spraying on us? They're just mustard. Okay, we're getting near to the end. Here's our UFO Aganga ship. Oh my god, we might actually make it. But anyways, yeah. Cousin, you can unmute if you want to.
I think I can't move.
I can't move.
Where's the thing? Please.
We're going backwards.
No!
Wait, you lost your propeller.
I have to turn off the balloons.
No, we're gonna die if you do.
Okay. I think we're good. We're good. Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Oh my god.
You have to get out of the ketchup. The ketchup is dead. The ketchup is following us. Oh no! Get away, ketchup. Get away.
Do you see where we're going? Because I can't. We're just like floating. Okay.
I wish I could control what I'm doing because I'm really good at controlling. Okay, I think we should probably now turn it off.
No! We might just fall on something. We'll explode.
There's nothing that explodes. We don't have any TNT. This looks so dumb.
We're getting so... I see the wall to the finish.
Oh, okay, once we get there, we can just pop the balloons, okay?
Oh, shoot. Okay, 3, 2, 1, jump.
No, I'm not jumping. I'm popping the balloons.
I'm jumping!
Bruh!
Oh, shoot, I jumped at the wrong time. I jumped at the wrong time!
I'm literally just... Oh, wait, I can just get in.
I die.
And I'm still here.
I died.
Driving like a boss.
There it is. I died right at the moment.
Right at the moment where you could be free. But now I am there to laugh.
That's mean.
I'm just kidding, man. But I am out there already. I have to pop the balloons. Pop. I can't pop them. No. Oh, no.
Loser.
No. Spaceship X is going down. I think I lagged the game. Oh, no.
Loser.
Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. I'm fine. I'm fine. What do you think I am? I'm not a fool.
Yes, you are.
Pro. I am pro.
No.
Take it around.
You know what rhymes with pro? No. Hee hee hee.
No, I am pro. I am big brain pro.
Wow.
I'm floating away.
That's so big brain.
I'm just floating at this point.
That's so big brain.
No.
No. I don't feel like it.
No, stop. We're doing balloons. No.
Balloon.
Yes, I'm falling now. Great. Oh wait, no, I'm falling. Oh no.
I will launch boat.
I'm still going up. Good grief, throw me down.
Okay, second try.
Falling. Beautiful. So, oh wait, no, this one single balloon. Die, would ya? There you go now.
No,
Wait.
balloons work.
Ah!
My balloons aren't working.
Dude, I actually did it.
Wow, that's nice.
Now I'm just kind of floating there now.
Balloon, activate. Make me
I
float.
finally did it. I reached the boat and I reached for treasure.
Wow.
And you should have jumped off. I'm just saying.
Another balloon. Launch. Make us float.
I can't even escape.
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No!
Oh my god.
No exit. I'm just. Oh wait, no. Yes. It just destroyed. It just destroyed itself.
Dude, look.
What the heck? You're trying to reach me?
Yeah, but
I'm waiting for you at the top of the leaderboard.
I'm just swinging around.
Dude, the entire UFO was gone. It just got analyzed. It's gone, man. I'm sorry. I couldn't protect it. It was so young. Okay, should I wait for you or should I just go straight for the treasure?
I don't know. I'm coming, but I'm flying off the
I got
map.
the treasure, man. I already got the treasure. I'm too rich now.
I'm slowly flinging off the map.
Let's go across the map, bro. Ooh, whole block. Yeah, apparently.
More balloons.
Okay, I went all the way up, and it says I went all the way up, but I got 50 gold.
More balloons activate. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to activate my balloons. I'm just flying out of the map.
This is sad. This is a sad day. What? I think you have to reset your character, man.
I will never die. I'm jumping off.
I think that'll mean you die.
I'm not dead. I never die.
Oh wait, dude, you wanna autosave? You know.
Oh, thank you. Well, I think that's gonna end it here, folks, and bye.